life. Give thanks to God for your sweet, sweet life. A sexy mama, a sexy wife. Oh my, me life so nice, yeah. Say me no want no bad vibration. Fucking with me energy, safe all your condemnation. Me you protect me in a cheat. If you don't like me, that's okay. If you like me, that's okay too. It's one love and this to you. It's one love.
I'm a diva. 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 I'm a diva.
Hi guys, welcome back to Divanyhair. Okay, y'all see me, Mama Chidlima is not come to play, okay? Like Okay, this hair is from LEYOO or LEYOO hair on Amazon. It's a new company and they're going to come, and they come already. Go and check them. They have bum.com crochet, they have wigs, they have anything. I don't want to spoil anything, okay? So go and check it out. I'm going to leave the link of this gorgeous bum.com hair down below, okay? The hair is bomb, okay? And I don't have anything to say. The only thing I want to tell this company right now, please send it in color 27, in color 30, in color 630. I want them all. It's bomb. Okay, they send me one pack. You want to see everything in the video. They send me one back like this, and in the back it have 3 packs. They send me 3 packs. Why? Because in each pack it have 24 strands, so that means it's like 6 packs. Okay, so you need to order 1 pack, but as I go install it and all that, you will need like 1 pack more. So depending of your health, I use all the entire 6 pack. For me it's 6 pack because it comes to this 24 in each pack. That means because normal crochet bag in each pack come 12 packs, so it's like 6 packs. But they come, you need to order only 3 packs. But if you have big head, order like 1 more, and then put 1 more in the bag, so it's going to be enough for you. And the hair, the texture is bomb. See, it looks super natural. Yeah, you know that I cut my hair. I have a towel. I do a big job, and my hair is this tiny. You want to watch how I do my cornrows, how I install it, and all that, okay? And if you like my natural makeup or my makeup, if you like it, leave me a comment down below, and I will do a tutorial how I do it and all that. But I think I will come for some makeup for the holidays season, some colors and dramatic contact lenses and dramatic lashes. And dramatic contact lenses, no, dramatic lashes, and I don't know, natural or different lipstick. I think different lipstick to choose and all that stuff. But yeah, that is all. Don't forget LEYOO and LEYOO on Amazon, okay? Everything down below, okay? Okay, though. Okay. Chidima waiting. So the contact lenses and lashes are from colorcl.com. Okay, the one I have, the contact lenses I have is a new edition. I'm going to do a review right now, so stay tuned, and click that bell. When you click the subscribe button, click that bell so you will be notified, because they are bomb. I don't want to tell you the name. colorcl.com down below. This can code J-Kitten. If you want to know, wait to the another video, okay? Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.